let's do the same process but with little bit more subdivision here. On this one, I'm going to turn on wireframe and I'm going to add subdivision surface. This time we are going to increase the levels to 3, okay, so that we get more mesh inside. And I'm going to apply this subdivision surface effect modifier to this object. As before, I'm going to delete these loops because we don't want them for this experiment. Dissolve edges. Perfect. Let's do the same process that we did for this one. I'm going to click on Inset Faces tool, drag the circle, and after dragging the circle, what I'm going to do is click on individual and adjust the thickness value. Okay. I'm gonna add little bit of depth to this. Maybe this time I'm gonna add more depth. Great. After doing that, let's come out of the Inset Faces tool, and as before, let's go into edge selection mode by pressing 2. Select the edge ring, right click, loop cut and slide, press number 4 and enter and escape so that it commits the operation. And I'm gonna add a loop close to this edge as we did before. You can move it down a bit by pressing G and Z. Now let's go to object mode and add the subdivision surface modifier. See, we get. Let's turn off the wireframe. See guys, so we got a different result here. Looks nice, yeah? So this is with a more density of the faces and this is with lesser density. So with less density you get thicker forms of vertical lines, and with more density of the faces you get dense forms of these vertical lines. For the last one, let's do the same process, but this time I'm going to use subdivision levels 2. Let's apply the modifier. Go to edit mode and dissolve the edges by pressing Ctrl and Shift. You have selected multiple edges and dissolve them. And now let's get into face mode by pressing 3. Select all. Switch to Inset Faces tool and drag. After dragging, you have got this Inset Faces operation panel. Select outer so that it selects the outer faces, and now I'm going to adjust the depth. Okay, so it's pushing the faces outward which are not selected. I'm going to commit this operation here. Let's go to edge mode, select the edge ring and control click on the faces so that select the faces with those corresponding edge ring. I'm gonna select the Inset Faces tool again and drag, but this time I'm going to check individual option and let's adjust the thickness value. 0.05 or 406. Okay, no, I think 0.5 is going to work. So 0.05 thickness value, and now let's adjust the depth as before. Fine guys, now we can adjust the depth, extend it a bit more to make it more prominent. Let's come into operation and go to select mode. Select the edge loop, add loops here, press 4 loops. Select the edge ring and right click, loop cut and slide. But I need 4 loops here, so I'm going to undo. Click on right click, loop cut and slide. Press 4, click and escape. So it adds the 4 loops here. Again, I want one more edge loop here and one more edge loop here. Okay guys, let's go to object mode by pressing tab and add another subdivision surface and increase the levels here. See guys, so this time we have different type of effect on this object. So you can create multiple effects using Inset Faces tool in Blender. It's very different and it has many options. So you can use these type of patterns in your product modeling. May it be like a cosmetic bottle or any machine tool or anything where there is a grip involved. I'm going to end this tutorial here. I hope you guys have enjoyed and learned something different. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.